Welcome to the Cubicos TME coffee break demo. Today we're looking at electrical, but you know that because you're here, and you're probably tired of trying to find highlighters that work. In the next few minutes, you'll see how efficient M&E takeoff can be. TME counts devices, quickly, really quickly, and intelligently by considering text and layer information in the drawing. So here's a standard PDF. In TME, we break it up and colorize it, allowing you to turn off background information like architectural detail. That's better. Now all we do is select the objects we want to find and let TME go find them. You can even text around the object to separately count things like emergency lighting. Okay, let's dim the drawing and view the progress. If you're wondering, that's 228 devices across 3 different types. We also take off length items, like cable, trunking, and tray, intelligently finding their paths with connections generated as you go. Simply find the line or parallel lines and let TME complete the run. If you're wondering, that's 320 meters split by 3 different sizes. We wouldn't be called Cubicos if we didn't have a third dimension. All the takeoff is generated in 3D, so you know you've captured every measurement. While you work, TME places everything into handy customizable reports, exportable to Excel at the click of a button. So in this case, switch and sockets, tray and tray joints. And remember, this all happened on PDF, but we also work even quicker in CAD, and you're future-proof with importing BIM models. Take off with Cubicos. Request an information pack or book your free product demo today.